Equation of a line passing through 2 points. The first point has x equals 2, and y equals negative 14. The second point has x equals 17, and y equals negative 77.
First, place the 2 points on the coordinate grid.
The run is the horizontal change, from x equals 2 to x equals 17, the run is 15. The rise is the vertical change, from y equals negative 14 to y equals negative 77, the rise is negative 63.
Slope is rise divided by run, negative 63 over 15, which simplifies to negative 21 over 5. Now draw the line through both points.
Start with point slope form, y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1. Then fill in the boxed values. Slope is negative 21 over 5, x1 is 2, and y1 is negative 14.
That gives the specific point negative slope equation for this line.
Finally, solve for y to get slope negative intercept form.
The graph and the equation describe the same line.